So I just got two of these solar panels from Ecoworthy, 100 watts. Just doing an unboxing and quick check. Short circuit current 3.8. So just wanted to make sure they're not damaged and they're working just fine. I have 3.8, 3.9 short circuit amps, and this is the instructions for damaged product. Take a photo and then you can call this customer support for replacement. So they came shipped in this box here. Everything seems to be fine. So you might ask, why 100 watts and why not 200 watts? Well, I think they're easier to transport and easier to take down if you have hurricanes or high winds or anything like that. So they're small and you can put them in series. Two of them will make 24 volts if you need to do that. All right. Oh, $88 including tax for two of them. $44 each. These are 12 volt, 100 watts, bifacial Ecoworthy solar panels. The dimension of the 100 watt solar panel is 23 inches wide and 35.25 inch in height. So very compact. Back of the bifacial solar panel seems to be more translucent and lighter color than the regular solar panel. Regular solar panel, you would have like a sheet covering it. This is, like, as I said before, translucent almost. So what is bifacial solar panel? Bifacial solar panels transforms sunlight into electricity on both sides and top and bottom surfaces. So that's what it is.